Hi friends, it's Miss Amanda. I'm so glad that you could join me. Today, I am going to read you a camping story. The story is titled, Biscuit Goes Camping. Before we start, we've got to review our book skills, remember? This is the front, it's got the title. This is the back. Tells you a little bit about what the story's about. Remember what this is? The spine that holds the book together. And we read it right side up. Got to make sure the pictures are the right way. And we open each page slowly. Okay? Keep going. This is about a little dog named Biscuit who goes camping with his little sister. This is the title page, Biscuit Goes Camping, and the author is Alyssa Capicilli, and the pictures, Pat Shores. All right, let's see what we got. Here's Biscuit. Look at the little girl. Looks like she's got some pillows and blankets. This way, Biscuit. It's time to go camping. Woof, woof, says Biscuit. Look at it, she's making something. We have our tent. Woof. Look at Biscuit. We have our flashlight and our blankets too. Woof, woof. Oh, looks like Biscuit found some cookies. Oh, look at Biscuit. What's he doing? He's pulling on her tent. Silly puppy, no tugging. It's time to go camping. Woof, woof, says Biscuit. Wait, Biscuit. What have you found? Look at, he's looking. She's got her flashlight. Oh, cribbit. You found a frog, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Look at him, he found that frog. Woohoo, woohoo. Funny puppy, it's just the wind. Look at, the leaves are blowing. There are so many new sights and sounds when you go camping. Woof, woof, says Biscuit. Oh, Biscuit, what have you found now? Look at, they're looking out their tent at the stars. Woof, woof. Oh, what's that? It's a firefly. And it goes blink, blink. It's a firefly, Biscuit. The firefly says, good night. It's time for us to say good night, Biscuit, too. Look, it looks like she's sleeping with her puppy. There's her cookies and her slippers and her in the tent. Curl up, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Oh no, what's that? It looks like lightning. Crack, boom, boom. Oh no, that's a big noise. Oh no. Here comes the rain. How can we go camping now, Biscuit? Woof, 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 woof. Biscuit, wait for me. Look at, they're running from the backyard. Biscuit's running in. And there's Mama holding the door. Woof, woof. You're smart, puppy. You found the perfect place to go camping. He's got his dog bed. He's got his toys and his sock. Blink, blink. Oh, look, a firefly came in with her under her blanket. And look at, there's Biscuit all covered up in his dog bed with his blanket. Woof, woof. Good night, Biscuit. Aw, look, she's sleeping next to Biscuit near his bed on the rug. The end. I hope you enjoyed my story about Biscuit going camping, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.